Welcome to SkyDRM feature training. Today I will show you the Trusted Application feature. SkyDRM RMD can configure an application as a trusted application for a specific file extension in Windows. The trusted application can access the protected file content directly. This enhances the end-user experience for the protected file in SkyDRM on Windows. A trusted application is an application that is configured in register.xml or is controlled by a RMX on Windows. Windows admin can configure register.xml to add trusted application. Windows admin installs an RMX on Windows. The applications controlled by the RMX will be trusted applications. For example, the Word, Excel, PowerPoint will be trusted applications in Windows after Office RMX is installed in Windows. Let's see a demo for trusted application on Windows. I log in as Window Admin on Windows. First, I go to the SkyDRM installation directory on Windows. Then, I open the register.xml. In this file, I already configured revit.exe, revitworker.exe, revitaccelerator.exe for the RVT file. Next, I log into the Windows desktop application as user Ted. After I log in, I can go to the File Explorer and find the RVT file here. So here I have the sample RVT file. I just protected this file and chose the confidential classification. I have the view and edit rights on this protected file, and you can see the RVT sample1, the rvt.nxl file is created, because I already configured the Revit application as a trusted application in Windows. So I can double-click this NXL file directly and open the file for the Revit application directly. You can see this RVT file with the 3D CAD file is opened by the Revit application. Please note that RVT file type is not supported by SkyDRM View, but the Autodesk RVT can be configured as a trusted application to open the protected RVT file directly. Thank you for watching the video for SkyDRM feature. If you have any further questions or comments, please contact us at the following email. Have a nice day.